welcome to your Core Flow Core B mat workout. Alright, so as you can see, first position is going to be your easy pose or crisscross. From here, you want to inhale, place both hands on the mat, exhale, reach over, take a deep breath in, opposite side. So what you're doing is you're opening up your obliques, which is the side, and as you shift and move, you're opening up the transverse abdominis. Going to do this for another 2 rounds. Remember, breathing in as you lay the palm down, exhaling as you reach over. Give me one more. And exhale. Perfect. From here, come nice and wide. All right, as wide as you're comfortable. Don't strain. Bring it to the toes. Breathe in. Exhale, bring those arms up. We're going to take it over to the right side. Breathe in. Bring it up. To the left side. Breathe in. Bring it up. Now from the center, push it out. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round that up. All right. Nice and warm, so let's get started. First, you're going to do your plank series. High, low, and side. So let's get started with your low plank first. You're going to be into tabletop position. Breathe in. As you exhale, extend back, dropping down to the forearms. We're going to hold this here. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push to your high plank. Make sure your hips are dropped, but not too high. Make sure your core is engaged and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest into your knees into tabletop. We're going to do that series for a total of 3 times. And make sure that your hands are right underneath your shoulders. And to do that, you can do the shoulder test. So that thumb comes directly inside. Okay? Breathe in. Extend up. Come to those forearms. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push the high. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and tabletop. So when you're in your plank, whether it's high or forearm, you want to make sure you're not looking down. You want to look forward, okay? Take a nice inhale. This is your last time. Exhale. Come to those forearms and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Press the high. Breathe in. Breathe out and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest and push back to child's pose. Enjoy this stretch because we're going to go right into our side planks. Breathe in, breathe out, and rise. Come with that knee in, so my left knee's going to be in, right's extended, and hold. So you can stay here if you're comfortable, all right? If you want to challenge yourself, push that knee back that's inside and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. As you notice as I extended, you don't have to stack your feet, okay? Now we're going to go to the other side. Pulling that knee in, extending, breathe in. When you're ready, extend out and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. All right, we're going to do that 2 more times on each side. All right, here we go. Breathe in. Exhale, round and hold. Breathe in. Extend and hold. 10, 9, 8. Don't drop your hips. 7, 6, yes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. All right, push back. Breathe in. Exhale, inhale, and step and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, underneath of you. Don't sway back. Watch your back. Breathe in. Exhale, push out and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Here's your last one. Breathe in. Extend. Breathe in. Extend and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Back to that child's pose. Rise to your tabletop, and now we're going to go into our bird dog series, okay? So you're going to do 3 variations. First is extension. So extend with one arm and extend with that opposite leg, and you're going to hold this. Point with that toe. Keep that leg level. Make sure your neck isn't dropped. Make sure you're looking forward, and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Exhale, arm. Breathe in. Exhale, extend leg. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. So make sure when you're in your bird dog, you want to fully extend that arm. You want to fully extend that leg. You want to feel like somebody's pulling your arm and pulling your leg at the same time. You want length. That's what we're doing. We're creating length in these muscles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Breathe in, extend, breathe in, breathe out, extend, and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, rest. This is your last time. Breathe in, extend, same time. There you go. Give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Extend, same time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Stay in tabletop. Your next bird dog series is going to be your knee crunches. All right. So you're going to pull it in, extend the arm, that knee, and pull it in. We got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. So when you're pulling your knee in, that's your inhale. When you're extending your leg behind, that's your exhale. So breathe in, breathe out, crunch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Do that 2 more times. Breathe in, exhale, breathe in, exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place it down, breathe in, breathe out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. Here we go. Breathe in, breathe out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend. Breathe in, rise. Breathe out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Looking good. 3, 2, 1, and rest. You should be working up a sweat right now. That's that power right there. Last one is your bird dog crossover. 2 sets of 8. So we crunched and pulled it in. This time, what you're going to do is inhale, reach, cross, crunch. So elbow to knee. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Breathe in deeply, breathe out even deeper, because you want to create that fire. You want to bring that sweat. Inhale, exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. All right, looking good. This is your last one. Remember, we're creating power. We are creating fire. So make sure your inhales are as big as your exhales. Breathe in and reach. Breathe out and go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Breathe in and reach. Last one. Breathe out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Push back to child's pose. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out. We're going to rise up to a kneeling position. So you're going to be nice and tall here. Bring those arms forward. Breathe in. Breathe out. Reach forward. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one. And out. Perfect. All right, cross. Have a seat. Last exercise is your glute bridge. So you want to make sure the small of your back is into the mat. So take your hands, make sure they can't go through. If they can go through, that's fine, but you don't want the fingertips to touch, okay? Palms are down, and we're going to do 2 sets of 6 lifts. So when you're doing your glute bridge, make sure you're squeezing your glutes, not the top of your thighs. Back of the legs and the glutes. Palms are down, breathing in as you scoop your abs up. Squeeze at the top, and then exhale down. And if you can, try to keep your knees together. Breathing in and squeeze. Breathing out. Breathing in and squeeze. Breathing out. Breathing in and squeeze. Breathing out. Give me one more. Breathing in and squeeze. Breathing out. And rest. We're going to do that one more time. Here we go. Inhale, squeeze. Exhale out. And you want to make sure your tummy's in. You want to make sure your spine, your navel's connected to your spine. So scoop that in. Bring it out. Scoop it in and rise. Bring it out. We got 3 more. Almost there. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Perfect. Extend your legs nice and long. Bring your arms overhead. Inhale. Sweep those arms across your body. Take it one more time. Inhale up. And sweep. Now if you can, roll yourself up as you're flat, or if you need to, bring your knees in and roll yourself up. Take it back to the beginning where we were, that easy pose. Breathing in, exhaling out. Breathing in, exhaling out. Take it, extend, forward reach. Come back to your easy pose, and that is your Core B workout. I'm Coach Natasha, and as always, stay healthy, stay fit, and smile.